NoahAnalytics develops automated digital markers of patient behavior. In care homes and hospitals, we want to monitor whether a patient is improving or worsening. Often the earliest signs of illness, such as new stroke and sepsis, appear as subtle changes in behavior. However, current assessments of patient behavior are inadequate. Typically, healthcare professionals assess patients by eye and through artificial motor tasks. These assessments are recorded intermittently, are subjective and labor-intensive. This results in treatment delays, poorer health outcomes, and increased health system costs. As an alternative to manual assessments, NoahAnalytics uses smart sensors and AI to continuously and objectively track patient behavior. The system comprises of 3 core components: off-the-shelf smartwatches with a custom app, a clinically secure platform with our AI models, and an end-user interface. NoahAnalytics offers several differentials to existing competitors. We are the first to have validated the technology in over 200 acute stroke ward inpatients for natural behavior monitoring. We have shown that our models are more accurate at predicting deterioration and disease severity than reference standards. We have validated the end-user usability in over 200 patients and more than 40 healthcare professionals. The system is also clinically secure, interoperable with existing systems, GDPR compliant, and has a very simple data flow. Our revenue will come from the initial installation cost and a subscription fee per bed per day. Our primary market will be B2B independent care home providers and rehab centres in the UK, with 2.6 million residents. Our serviceable obtainable market is estimated at £114 million annually. However, the technology can also be applied to in-hospital monitoring and as surrogate endpoints in clinical trials. In terms of cost savings, in hospitals we expect to identify 120,000 additional deteriorations. Depending on the nature of the deterioration, treatment delay and efficacy, we expect this to save over £544 million a year. Our technology will also reduce the average length of stay by 1.5 days, resulting in cost savings of £360 million.
Hi, my name is Kamar Ekotob. I am a roboticist and a software engineer. I did my master's at the lab from which this venture came, and now I'm the software engineering lead.
I'm Chayawan Ilpamriyakun. I am an AI researcher completing my PhD in machine learning for wearable at Imperial College London. Out of my project came this venture where I am the machine learning engineering lead.
So, hi, I'm Sigwani Weibel. My background was in NHS technology transfer, developing novel medtech. I then completed my PhD in clinical data science, developing this company, and I will be taking it forward, running the day-to-day of the venture.
I'm Paul Bentley. I'm a consultant neurologist on the NHS, and I'm the clinical director of the Imperial College Network of Rehabilitation Technologies, and I co-founded one of the most successful digital stroke rehabilitation companies in the UK, and I'm going to be the clinical lead of this project.
Hi, I'm Aldo Faisal. I'm a professor of AI and neuroscience. I'm also a UKRI Turing AI Fellow and director of the £20 million Centre now for Healthcare here at Imperial College London. The venture came out of my lab, and I'm the technology lead.
Where do we want to go from here? We have raised over 1.5 million in NIHR grants to develop the minimum viable product. We are currently funded by the UKRI MedTech Superconnector and We Accelerate programs. In the next 4 months, we are planning to raise 200k for our trials and new hires. Thank you.